Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. If we have been attending Mass for the past days, if we look at the Gospel, there were people who asked Jesus questions. Last Tuesday, the Pharisees asked Jesus, "Is it lawful to pay the census tax to Caesar or not?" Yesterday, again, Sadducees asked the question about the reality of resurrection. And today, the scribes again ask the question, among the first of all the commandments. What is the context of our gospel reading today? Why the scribes asked Jesus about the question? We know that there are 10 commandments. However, the Jews try to dissect in detail the 10 commandments, that from 10 commandments, it became 613 laws and precepts. And the laws involved like washing of the hands before eating. So they were perplexed. Among the 613 laws and precepts, which among them is the most important? And so Jesus answered, among the 613 laws and precepts, the most important thing is only two: love God and love your neighbor. My dear brothers and sisters, I would like to focus my reflection on the value of asking questions. In our gospel reading today, the Sadducees or the scribes asked Jesus not only to reach and to know what is truth, but they ask in order to trap Jesus. And that is their attitude. In other words, they try to look faults for Jesus, same as the way they asked yesterday and the other day. They asked not to know what is truth, but they ask in order to trap him. My dear brothers and sisters, it's good to know the truth. It is necessary that we need to ask. Mangutana gyud. In our context today, there are a lot of gossips, there are a lot of hearsays, there are a lot of misconceptions, there are a lot of false going on around us. There are a lot of fake news. And it is necessary to ask, is it the truth? Who says that? If we are very engaged into social media, there are a lot of fake news, especially looking at the things being formulated by AI. Maglibog ka kung tinuod ba nigdili. No? Nya AI rada ito. Nya usahay mo tuupod ta nga maoy tinuod. It's good to ask. But when we ask not to somehow find fault, but we ask not to trap other people, but we ask to know the truth, what is truth, and what is real. Mao na makadungo gani ta, ayaw day tuo. Mangutana gyud ta. Tinuod ba na? Chismis ba na? Kinsay nag-ingon ana? Or hinimo ra ba na sa AI?